Hi guys! So I'm currently here in Valencia, Bukidnon. So nag-agi mi sa terminal guys, sa bago nga terminal kay nag-pick up ni sa akong mother, and then there is a badjaw. And the good thing of the badjaw, he is now a good jaw guys. So guys, namaligya siya o towel, 3 pieces, 100. So nakapalit ako daghang kay kog towel guys, like that. Nakapalit akong towel, daghan gid siya. Then I asked my partner, diba? So to boost his energy, to boost his passion to do business, guys, I just support, let's support badjaw, especially if they're doing business, because they are known for asking money, 10 pesos, diba? That's the stigma that they always receive, diba? But here in Valencia, I saw one in the highway. So, dili ko sure quality aning kuan guys, aning kini. So, 3 pieces for 100. Badyaw nagbaligya ni guys dala sa highway. So, ano siya? Cotton. Gamayon na siya nga lalaki guys. Oh. So, let's support small business, especially sa badjaw nga they're trying to do their business instead of asking money, diba? Bye-bye!